In the basic surveying, the model 5, the areas and volume and countering. In the last session, we have studied about the what is the area and what is the unit of area, then what are the methods to calculate the area. Just we will solve the few problems. Then these are the objectives what we have learned in the last session. Same thing. It is to acquire the knowledge of area and volumes and its applications in the surveying. And the second objective is to know how to measure the area on a map. The third objective is to impart the knowledge of trapezoidal and Simpson's rule and their applications, and to make the students understand to calculate the area from the field notes. Just we will solve the problems on to calculate the area on a irregular boundaries or straight line. Now already we have studied about the methods of calculating the area. The first one is mid-ordinate method, second one is average ordinate, the third one is trapezoidal rule and Simpson's rule with detail. Just we will solve the problem on those methods. The first problem is the following perpendicular offsets were taken at 10-meter intervals from a survey line to an irregular boundary line. The ordinates are, they have given the ordinates, that is 3.25, 5.6, 4.20, 6.65 and 8.75, 6.20, 3.25, 4.20 and 5.65. The interval between the one point to another point is 10 meter. What he has asked, he has asked that calculate the area enclosed between the survey line, the irregular boundary line and the first and the last offsets by the application of. With using these three methods, we should calculate the area of a particular survey line. Just we will draw the AB line with offsets, what they have given offsets and with the interval. The interval between the 2 points will be 10 meter. The first offset is 3.25, the second is 5.6, 4.2, 6.65, 8.7, 6.2, 3.25 and 4.2, and the last ordinate is 5.6. These ordinates are given in the problem and the interval also is given in the problem. The common distance or interval is 10 meter. The first method is by average ordinate rule. He has asked that with these three methods, just to find out the area of a particular survey line. Yes, the first one is that by the average ordinate rule, the area equals to average ordinates into length of the line AB. Average ordinates means that is O1, O2, O3, O4 up to we have O1, O2, O3, O4, O5, O6, O7, O8, O9. O9 adding all those ordinates with divided by number of ordinates into total length of the baseline, that is AB, total length of the AB, that is the 80 meter length. Yes, area equals to, this is the formula. Just substitute the ordinates in this formula, that is O1 equals to 3.25, 5.6, 4.2 and 6.65, 8.7, 6.2, 3.25, 4.2 and 5.6. Add all those ordinates divided by 9. 9 is the number of ordinates into multiply with the length of the ordinate. That equals to 424.44 square meter is the area by the method of average ordinate rule. This is the area. Next, the second one is by the trapezoidal rule. In the trapezoidal rule, the area equals to d into first ordinate plus last ordinate divided by 2 plus other ordinates. That is, the d equals to distance between the, that is interval, the distance between the points, 2 points, or the interval. Yes, the distance between the 2 points or interval is 10 meter. That is, first ordinate is 3.25. Last ordinate is 5.65 divided by 2. Average of first and last ordinate. In addition with the other ordinates. Other ordinates are 5.6, 4.2, 6.65, 8.75, 6.2, 3.25 plus 4.2. The total area calculated by the trapezoidal rule is 433 square meter. The last one, with the Simpson's rule. By the Simpson's rule, the area equals to d by 2 first ordinate plus last ordinate plus 4 times the sum of the even ordinates plus 2 times the sum of the odd ordinates. Here area equals to d is the 10 meter. The first ordinate is 1, the last ordinate is on plus 4 times the O2, O4, O6 and so on. That is even ordinates plus 2 times the odd summation of the odd ordinates. Yes, that is 10 by 2 equals to 3.25 plus 5.65. This is the first ordinate and this is the last ordinate plus 4 times multiply with 4 with the summation of even ordinates, that is 5.6. That is O2 is 5.6, O4 is 6.65, O6 is 6.2 and O8 is 4.2 plus odd ordinates, that is 4.2 plus 8.75 plus 3.25. Yes, we'll get the total answer is 439.67 square meter. Yes, this problem is from the December 2014 and Jan 15 paper. That is for 10 marks. They have asked for 10 marks to find out the area between the survey line. This is the one of the problem from the question paper. Let us solve another one problem. That problem is from the June and July of 2013 paper. They have asked for 10 marks. Yes, we'll go for with the question. The following offsets were taken from a chain line to an irregular boundary line at an interval of 10 meter. The ordinates are 0, 2.5, 3.5, 5, 4.6, 3.2, 0 meter. Compute the area between the chain line, the irregular boundary line and the end offsets by using these two rule or method. Just we'll find out they have asked that using these two methods find out the area between the chain line. Yes, come to the first method, that is trapezoidal rule. Here d is the distance of interval between the 2 points. That is d equals to 10 meter. They have given in the problem. D equal to 10 meters. The first ordinate is 0. The last ordinate is also 0. The first and last ordinates are 0. Then other ordinates are mid ordinates, in between ordinates. Yes, using the trapezoidal rule, area equals to d into average of first and last ordinate plus adding other ordinates. That equals to 10 equals to first ordinate also 0, the last ordinate also 0 divided by 2. That will automatically get 0. Plus 2.5, 3.5, 5, 4.6, 3.2. Yes. To solve this equation, we will get 188.00 square meter with trapezoidal rule. This is the area of chain line using the trapezoidal rule. Just we'll solve the same one using the Simpson's rule. That interval is d is equal to 10. Only the thing, the formula is changed. Here the area equals to d by 3, adding the first and last ordinate plus 4 times the summation of the even ordinates plus 2 times the summation of the odd ordinates. That d is 10 meter. Substitute d value, and the first ordinate is 0, the last ordinate also 0. Substitute those values in this formula. That the even ordinates are 2.5, 5u and 3.2, and the odd ordinates are 3.5 and 4.6. We'll get the area using Simpson's rule is 196.67 square meter. Okay. Just we'll solve another one problem with Crossstaff or field book survey. Yes. Here the problem is a page of a field book of a Crossstaff survey is given in the figure. In this figure, they have given using Crossstaff survey what is the distance between point to point, and the offsets also they have given in the problem. Okay, and plot the required figure. Using these data, just to draw the figure and compute the area. Here in this method, from the Crossstaff survey, we will get some geometrical figures like triangle and trapezium. Using area of a triangle, find out the area of a triangle and area of trapezium of individual geometrical figure. Find out the area of individual geometrical figure and add all those and we will get the total area of the particular land. Just yes, I have drawn the using those things. I have drawn the here. This is the 0 chainage. This is 110 chainage. This point A and point B. The first offset will be drawn at a chainage of 20 meter. The offset length is 46. The second offset will be drawn from the 40 meter chainage and offset length is 20 meter. Here same thing, the third one is drawn at a 65 meter chainage of a offset length is 58 meter. The same fourth one point is 90 meter chainage, the offset length is 60 meter. The last one is 110 meter is the last point of a chain line. Just using those offset length and chainage, I have drawn the sketch. This is from the Crossstaff survey. Just I will mark the indication. There is the figure 1, figure 2, figure 3, figure 4, figure 5, figure 6. Yes. Using this is the figure 1 is triangle. Figure 2 is trapezium. Figure 3 is triangle. Figure 4 is triangle. Figure 5 is trapezium. Figure 6 is triangle. Find out the individual area of a particular figure and add all those things and we'll get the total area of this sketch or field book. We'll find out the area of a triangle 1, that is 0.5, half into base into height. Height is the offset length, base is the from 0 to 20 meter chainage. That area of particular A1, that is 420 square meter. Come to the second figure. Area of a second figure or a trapezium equals to half into average of the offsets. Multiply with the base length. That is 2250 square meter. Come to the third one. That is area of a triangle, that is 0.5, half into base is the difference between the starting and last point of a chain edge and the offset height, that is offset height. We'll get 1303 square meter. Come to the fourth figure. Fourth figure is also a triangle, that is base half into base into height. Height is the offset length. We'll get the 600 square meter. 600 square meter. Yes, the fifth one is triangle. Sorry. Fifth one is trapezium. That is half of the average of these two offset. Multiply with the base length. That is the 200 square meter. The last one is area of a triangle or area of a figure 6. That is triangle. That is half into base into height. That is 400 square meter. Add all those areas of individual figures. The first one is 420. The second one is 2250. Third one is 1305. 600, 2000 and 4000. Add all those things, we'll get the area of a particular figure is 6975 square meter. Application of the Simpson's rule. The Simpson's rule is used to find out the earthwork volume using contour maps. It gives more accurate area. Trapezoidal rule can be applied for any number of ordinates. It gives an approximate area. The result will give some difference from the Simpson's rules. Thank you.